Hey, bye. Hi guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is super different. I'm standing in front of my closets because it's a declutter and organization vlog. It is Sunday today, so I finally have an off day. So I thought I would finally declutter my wardrobes. They are a freaking mess. I will show you all what they look like. Don't judge me. It looks horrible inside. I don't get time during the week. Every time clothes come from washing, I just keep shoving it inside, and even if I'm like trying multiple clothes, I don't get the time to put them back in the hanger. They are all a mess. Okay, so this is what this cupboard looks like. You might feel it's very organized because it actually is. Sab hanger mein laga hua hai, and this wardrobe is pretty much sort with my Indian clothes. But agar this wardrobe ka Indian clothes I don't remove, then I have no place to keep this freaking mess of a wardrobe. Just look at this. This is my actual daily everyday wardrobe. All the clothes are just shoved. कुछ मिलता नहीं है इसमें. If I try to remove even one of this now, all the hangers just fall on top of me. So I'm in a big mess right now, which is why I had to do this, and I thought I would vlog and organize with you all because that way I will get shit done. Okay, so I got these on Amazon. These are basically like plastic cases. You get like 3 in 1. I will link them for you all in the description box if you want to check it out. We have a lot of this and we keep all our saris and Indian outfits and everything in this. तो अच्छे से रहती है और इस्त्री भी रहता है, and the kapda doesn't get spoiled. Like you can see, we have these loft areas on top. These are all filled with Indian clothes. Let me just give you a little bit of a glimpse. Can you see? It's all filled with mine, mom's and Sabrina's saris and dresses and Indian outfits, wedding outfits basically. So I thought ये सारे Indian कपड़े भी इसमें डाल के we will keep on top. So that's task number 1. Let's get to it. I'm going to tackle this cupboard next, and I'm going to open it up and remove all of these clothes बाहर, ताकि I can like properly section it कि कौन से देने हैं, donate करने हैं, कौन से रखने हैं, and कौन से मैं ज़्यादा कॉलेज में नहीं पहनती हूँ तो वो ये wardrobe में जा सकते हैं. This is my cupboard, all clean from one side. I think my voice is echoing, but this is basically मैंने cupboard को ऐसे divide कर रखा था. I also have this that I came across. It's just from school. My friend that actually gifted this to me, if I'm not wrong, on my 13th birthday, and it's so cute. Look at me as a child. Then this is my 11th birthday at Pizza Hut. And there's a lot of me eating pizza in this, so that shows my love for pizza. And all like my school days, yeah, these are all my school friends, school memories. Nobody, like, I don't think I'm in touch with anyone from any of these photos, but it's just so cute to have this. I'm never gonna throw this away. It's just a nice memory to keep, so I keep it like this over here. So this is my situation on the bed right now. You can see all of the hangers are accumulated here. All of the clothes are here. Now I need to sort through this and see कि मैं कौन से पहनती हूँ नहीं पहनती हूँ वगैरह. Looks so nice and organized. Just look at it. I have put all my darker, my blacks, like color coded them as well. So now it's pretty spaced out. Like if I'm removing anything, it's not gonna make all the hangers fall off. It's very organized, very neat and clean. So far I'm happy with the progress I've made. I kind of know where what is. It looks neat and tidy. There's no more mess happening niche ki or. These are all my old clothes that I don't use anymore. All of them are in good condition apart from that denim. All of them are in good condition. So I'm going to like give them away. My mom knows a lot of people who, you know, she always gives all our clothes to. So that is going to go over there.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, बहुत टाइम हो गया है since the last clip. Life has been crazy and इसलिए I've been really busy. तो वो declutter तो वैसे का वैसा रह गया है. I have somehow tried to not mess up my wardrobe any further. तो जिस हाल में था मैंने वैसे ही रखा है उसको. And today is Sunday, so Pooja has also come over yesterday to like help me out with everything, like work wise, and also I told her that like let's just declutter my wardrobe and get things in place. She's currently having a bath. I just came out of shower. So while she's in the shower and we'll wait for her to come and help us out with the declutter, I was just doing my skincare and my skin has become super dry. It's that transition period again from winter to summer, so I have these dry patches plus also a lot of like acne marks that I'm dealing with. Touchwood, alhamdulillah, not having any breakouts currently, but having a lot of marks to deal with, and I had been looking for like an affordable vitamin C to indulge in my skincare routine, and so I started trying out this one by Good Vibes. This is their Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. So this is what the bottle of the serum looks like. It's a good amount and it's very affordable. It's only 215 rupees. This is a vitamin C serum and it has rosehip seed extract. So as you all know, rosehip is a very good source of vitamin C. It has 8 times more vitamin C than oranges. I like to take a little bit and like really warm up within my hands. Once you massage it well into your skin, it's not greasy at all. Like you can see, it just adds the perfect amount of moisture to my skin. My skin feels really well hydrated, nourished, and also the serum has been really helping fade my acne marks. Vitamin C in general is really good for your skin. I always promote using vitamin C in the daytime. Also, pro tip, do use your sunscreen after you're using your vitamin C serum so that it really well activates itself and stays protected, because vitamin C is photosensitive. I'm taking a little bit extra for my neck area because I used very little. If you are oily skin type, you can use very little, just like 1 drop is sufficient for you. So this entire bottle will last you for a really long and good amount of time. It also has jojoba oil, sesame oil, almond oil. The fragrance of this is really nice and calming. I did actually also mention on my Instagram that I was trying this out and I got such a good response. So many of y'all said that it has helped y'all tremendously with your acne marks, and since I have only been using it for 2 weeks, I've seen a mild difference, not too much, because this has natural ingredients. Natural ingredients will definitely take longer to act on your skin. It's not going to show you instant result. No skincare product really does, but it does feel really good. It also is free of parabens, sulfates, and it's cruelty free, so that's great. I love the fact that Good Vibes is anyways really inexpensive, but apart from that, you're also having an amazing offer right now because Purple has up to 50% off from the 8th to the 12th February. And on Good Vibes Skincare, if you're going to buy 2 products, you'll get 1 absolutely free, and you'll get another free gift in your cart if you shop above 699 rupees. So I will leave a link in the description box for you guys to check it out. I'm just going to go layer up some sunscreen, wait for Pooja to come back, have some breakfast, and then let's get on with our declutter. Right now, let's target this drawer right here that you can see. This is a half acrylic deep drawer. काफी deep है ये. You can see it's literally half my size. Because मैंने ये बनवा के लिया था, मुझे सारे मेरे नाइट सूट्स इसमें रखने थे जो मैं रखती हूँ. काफी नाइट सूट्स है इसमें, and also my workout wear is in this. Also, I want to show you all, these are the organizers I got from Amazon to keep my socks. They're very very handy. So this is what they look like, and you can keep your socks or panties or handkerchiefs in this. I mainly ordered it for socks, but I will try to get the maximum use out of this. I want like one section जिसमें pajamas हो, एक में tops और एक में gym pants, बस, and one miscellaneous. We are tackling this drawer right here, which is currently overflowing because मैंने बहुत सारे dresses खरीदे हैं lockdown में. This is what it currently looks like. It's a freaking mess. There's a lot of stuff, and it's not a very deep drawer. Like इसका आधा है depth wise. This is Betty. Oh my God, you guys, do you all know Betty? I don't think I've spoken about her. This is my बचपन का bedsheet. It used to be a bed sheet. I have emotional attachment to this piece of cloth. Yeah, it was a stitched square, but वो बिसकता गया कपड़ा, and अभी इतना ही बचा है. उसके last remains है. It's like when I die, I want this to go in my grave sort of situation. Oh, what a deep drawer. I can sleep in this. Fajr, you want to sleep in this? Come, my babu. Shit. Oh my god, Fudge fits in the drawer. Come here, man. Sit down. Sit. Hey, wow, I can just. Hi. Bye. That's the one. Alright, done. All of my dresses have fitted here really well. It's like full to the brim. Now there's no scope for expanding this drawer at all. So और कुछ भी खरीदा तो I know I have to keep it in the hangers or I have to not buy anything. But we're done with another drawer and we're actually done with all the clothes almost. Now we just have to tackle the makeup real quick and also थोड़ा सामने जो सामान है. Let's go. So ये थोड़े बहुत कपड़े हैं जो अभी रिसेंट डेज में आए हैं, इसको हैंगर में डालना है. हैंगर की कमी थी तो हम मिनीसो जाके थोड़े हैंगर्स ले आए. एंड दीज आर द ड्रॉर्स ऑफ मेकअप विच इज़ एक्चुअली प्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. आई नो वेयर एवरीथिंग इज. आई जस्ट मेक इट लिटिल मोर एस्थेटिकली प्लीजिंग सो इट्स ईजियर फॉर मी टू वर्क एज वेल. सिंस माई वर्क इज अराउंड ऑल ऑफ दिस आई नीड इट टू बी रियली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एट ऑल टाइम्स सो दैट आई नो वॉट आई एम डूइंग राइट. सो दिस तो इज रियली प्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. जस्ट खाली सब अच्छे से लाइक समेट देंगे. लेट्स गो. So this is everything that I am like discarding from my makeup section. I'm very stingy when it comes to my makeup. मैं जल्दी से कुछ देती नहीं. But अब ये सब ना expired हो गया. It's not like I'm like giving it away because most of my makeup is like bought with my own hard-earned money. It's not like PR इतना. PR तो actually makeup इतना है ही नहीं मेरे पास. Skin care ही ज़्यादा PR आता है. So all of this is like expired stuff that I have to like give up on. Or most of these like lipsticks Miss Claire are new, but ये सब like I'll give my friends or anybody who uses these shades because I don't really use them. I'll show you all what the final result is looking like. So we have the first drawer right here which is all of my base makeup. So we have all my foundations right here, my concealers, my powders, setting powders. These are highlighters, these are bronzers, this is blush, some more highlighters and face palettes over here. And I have my lenses and lash situation, my dirty beauty blenders, beauty sponges, brushes, and behind we have primers and fixing mists. And that's about it for the first drawer. And in the second drawer right here I have all of my lipsticks, and this time I categorized everything as per the shades I use. So these are my most used reds, my most used nudes, my lesser used nudes. Then these are some pinky tones and some burgundy lipsticks. I definitely need more burgundy shades. These are lipsticks that are like very affordable and I need them for like videos, and I don't really use them that much in person, but I've kept them. Like as a content creator I do need to create content out of all of this. These are good lipsticks. And this is like kajal, my eye pencils, my everything in the eye area pencil wise, and lip pencils as well. Some glitters, loose glitters, eyeshadow base, all of my sharpeners, all my eyeshadow palettes right here, mascaras and some more glitter liners, and some of my define liners from Debashree Beauty. That is it for my eyes and lips drawer, and that's my makeup all complete. Alright you guys, finally the closets have been decluttered. I am so happy. Everything looks organized, looks very well settled. हर चीज जहाँ होनी चाहिए वहीं है. Finally I have removed so many things from my cupboard. Okay, I have removed all of the gunk, the expired makeup, the clothes I did not wear. Are you ready for the final reveal and the tour of my closet? Let's go. Let's open the first very beautifully color coordinated. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. Space. Okay, so to begin with, on top we have all of my basic t-shirts जो भी मैं college जाने पहनती हूँ. Everything that I use literally on a daily basis. All of them are mostly color coordinated, but वो वैसे नहीं रहेंगे. Let's be realistic about that. And then I have my jeans and my bottoms right here. Over here I've kept my college apron. I've kept some sweaters because अभी थोड़ी ठंडी है, so I do need sweaters like handy. And I've kept my socks in this container right here. I'm going to link it for you in the description box. Then in the first drawer, we have all of my base makeup like I showed you. Then we have my eye makeup and lips in this drawer. Here in this acrylic drawer, we have all of my night suit, my loungewear and my gym wear right here. Then we have the two lingerie drawers here. First one has all of my bras, my sports bras, my slips. And in my second drawer right here, I have all of my panties and my tights and corsets over here. And in the final drawer over here, we have all of my dresses, which are very well organized. So this is my entire closet with everything, right from my makeup to my clothes, very well organized. I'm very happy with this space. I have some belts and chokers right here and my one and only sling bag right here. Alright, the final second wardrobe right here. This is a miscellaneous wardrobe. It's actually shared by all of us at home. It's not just mine. Majorly, yes, it is mine right now. So over here the blazers are all my dad's. There's just one blazer of mine. Then I have all my jackets here, my denim, my leather, my like blazer suits, quad sets and stuff. Some off-shoulder tops, some tops that I don't wear to college at all and don't even wear that much bahar jane ke liye. So those tops are over here. Then I have my kurtis which I need on a daily basis. So these are everyday kurtis. And then in front I've kept nothing in this section. Here I have my stoles which I used to use on, like if I go on my bike and stuff, I use my stoles to cover my face and hair or just like for styling purpose. And I have my jewelry section over here where I have all of my jewelry laid out. This hanger thingy I got from Amazon. I will link it for you in the description section. It's very beautiful to display jewelry as well as, you know, all of my necklaces. They don't get entangled and just stay put in place over here, so I really like that. Okay, नीचे खाली ये दो drawers मेरे हैं, बाकी सब Sabrina के हैं, तो it's not really mine. Last drawer में I keep my equipment. So again, that's not really of your interest. I keep my camera, my lights, my big boxes and stuff like that. It's ugly and it's messed up over there, but I still understand what is where. The first drawer over here, I keep a lot of miscellaneous stuff. Okay, there are some nail polishes, some sunglasses. I have my hairbands and also like, you know, some memories, my boat air dopes, my perfume, my phone box, my sling bags, and in the second drawer I have all of my jewelry again. Majorly I have Indian jewelry here because Indian jewelry is very space occupying. But again, I have categorized everything in these organizers which I got on Amazon. I will link everything for you in the description box. And that is about it. This was everything declutter, organization as well as my closet tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sarah Squad shout out goes to Palshin Datta. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sarah Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, the bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you, take care.